New World is an open-world MMO, massive multiplayer online PC game developed by Amazon Games. For excited players, the worst thing is to encounter an error or bug in the game. When playing New World, the common issue is that unrecoverable error appears on the computer screen. The error message says Steam must be running to play this game. Make sure you are logged into Steam, then try again. Sometimes, the screen shows no product information found, cannot initialize game. Please contact customer service for this product. The error is not uncommon, but it is easy to fix. So, without wasting any time, let us hop into it. Method 1. Check system requirements. To play a game on a PC, the machine should meet the minimum system requirements, and New World is not an exception. If you get unrecoverable error, perhaps the PC cannot meet the requirements of this game. Go to check your PC specifications. If your PC is capable of running New World, try the next method. Method 2. Restart the game and re-log in. Sometimes a fix can be simple as a restart game, then log out and re-log in. Many game players have found this actually does the trick most of the time. If you haven't done so, it never hurts to try. Method 3. Repair easy anti-cheat. Go to Steam and click Library. Locate New World, go to Settings. Manage. Browse local files to open the folder of this game in File Explorer. In the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, double-click the Easy Anti-Cheat _setup.exe file. Click Repair Service. Method 4. Verify integrity of game files. Although this method has varying success, it's worth mentioning that it indeed does the trick for some players. If you haven't tried this, you can use the following steps to check how to verify your local files on Steam. Method 5. Disable IPv6. Launch Control Panel and view items by category. Click Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Click your network connection and click Properties. Uncheck the box of Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6 and click OK. Method 6. Reinstall New World. If none of the methods presented above have worked in your particular scenario, the next logical step is to reinstall the New World game.